happening, YouTube? It's the next day. I'm currently on the way to Jonathan's apartment, aka Towson's. I'm meeting up with Caleb, Jonathan, and Kyler, F30 Skirt. We're gonna go attempt to take some rollers. So I'm not sure what we have planned exactly for that, but I'm gonna take you guys along the ride and hopefully we get some fire rollers for the week. So yeah, let's see how this day turns out. Watching a John Thick Whips video on the way there. You already know, have to support my boy. Just pulled up to Jonathan's apartment. We already got Kyler here. Back like we never left, boy. Alright, we just pulled up. Kyler is cleaning his car, even though it's already clean. Jonathan, looking at his car, just put on some upper canards on his bumper right here. I'll show you them. I'm in the car right now because it's windy as hell up here. You already know, we always post up on top of their apartment complex right above I-4. So yeah, Jonathan's there. Caleb with the upgraded turbo M4 is here. His car is not here right now because he's still working on it, getting it dialed in, bunch of parts, bunch of small stuff, but soon he's gonna get it dialed in. We're gonna do a full build list on his car and we're gonna get a ride along in his car, and I can't wait for that because my reaction is probably gonna be insane. I mean, upgraded turbos, everything that you can think of, he's probably done. Can't wait for that. But yeah, everyone's just dialing their cars and I think we're gonna go attempt to go shoot some rollers. I'm not even gonna try to clean my car right now because I'm just too lazy. If we're gonna do rollers and my car's black, I think it's gonna hide pretty well. So, but anyway, can't wait. Chill day, chill weekend with the guys. Garage hangs with the boys. Jonathan went to go give somebody something and then we're probably gonna roll out, try to get some rollers. It's actually pretty overcast today, so it's gonna work out to our favor, I think. Especially with my car being black. I hate the sun when it's out. Makes my car too reflective. But yeah, I'm also testing out my new CPL filter. Shout out to Kyler for putting me on the new lens and CPL filter. So that way my car won't be so reflective anymore in pictures and I can get rid of the glares. Also the reflections in the panels. So super sick, super excited to be shooting with this now. But yeah, we're just chilling. This is Chris's bros, M235, Chris's old car. Hella clean. Got the rear seats gutted. Sounds super nice, full bolt on. N55 boys. Look at the steering wheel, that looks sick. About to roll out. Hey, Autobots roll out, you already know. Woo! Here's Caleb's Subi, nice little daily. He also has a bike too. But yeah, we're chilling, about to roll out. Alright, so they're piling into Kyler's car. And I guess I'm going first. Jonathan, aka Towson's gonna be shooting rollers of all of our cars today. So yeah, I guess my car's first. See how this turns out. Again, super overcast day. Perfect for darker cars like mine or Jonathan. Kyler's car, it doesn't matter, rain or shine. This car's gonna look clean. But yeah, this should be fun. First time ever having rollers taken of my F80, so I'm pretty fucking pumped. Shout out to Jonathan for doing so for the boys today. Let's go. Kai's gonna be shooting those 3-foot flames right now. You got the 360 camera set up. Woo! Oh, that's gonna be badass. I want to get one day, 100%. But Caleb's rig is sick. This thing doesn't look like it's going anywhere.
That's solid gecko.
That's solid. I want a 360 camera so bad. Especially when I go to Colorado, and like when we go down the mountain. Yeah. That's when next trip I'm going, I'm gonna definitely have one for that.
Oh, are you down there?
See if we can focus it.
So let's go to that part of the video right
It's
here.
360 all the way around. It records 360, so you just move it around. It's so sick. I definitely want one for exhaust clips, obviously, but then I also want one when we go to Colorado and we go snowboarding, skiing. Going down the mountain would look sick. Yo, this is gonna be sick. One, I'm excited to see what the 360 footage looks like, and then obviously for rollers. But I guess if we're taking my car, I think Kayla might put that thing on my car. That'll be sick. Yo, if somebody just was driving behind Kyler and they saw this, they'd be like, what the hell is coming off this guy's car? Only if you know. If you know, you know. That's funny. It looks like a big antenna.
It really does.
We got Jonathan shooting pictures. We got a 360 camera. Got Caleb. That's sick.
I got everything in view, man.
That's sick. Let's go. It's about to be absolutely hilariously amazing.
I just want to get that
Farther. Okay, so go like side shot and then like maybe split a lane.
Yeah.
Or go into the side if I have to.
Try with the car behind us.
Alright, as you guys can see, hopefully Jonathan was hanging out of the car. Got some sick rollers in my car, I bet. Can't wait to see him. Yeah, we're gonna probably go back to the spot, pick up Jonathan's car and get some of his car or Kyler's car. But yeah, everybody on the road is looking at us like, what the f are we doing? But gotta do it for the gram. Gotta do it for the gram. You already know Kayla's mounting it to my car now. Can't wait to see this footage, real talk. I'm like just as excited to see this footage as I am with the rollers. Oh, I know, I bet. Without even looking, I already know they turned out sick.
Oh, hold on. I'll show you one of them.
Preview, sneak peek for the vlog. Damn. I've never had rollers taken in my car. Like,
really?
On like, actually, yeah. No way. That's sick. One day I want to have a flame tune and I'll have a 360 camera just for this moment.
That'll look sick.
But yeah, can't wait. I'll have Caleb send me the footage so it looks sick.
Yeah.
Let's get it.
Flame tunes now.
I know.
If you remove the bolts, you should.
Yo, yeah.
Now we're shooting Kylie's car. We got Caleb in the car. The dream team. Jonathan going to work. The rollers. Just got back from shooting Kylie's car. Jonathan said he has like 200, 300 photos, so can't wait to see how they turned out. Gonna be sick. Taking over the rollie duty. I would trust Kyler over anybody. Let's get it. Shooting. Alright, we just got back to this parking lot. That's gonna wrap it up for the rollers. I'm gonna head home right now, but shout out to Jonathan and Kyler for taking pictures of our cars today. Shout out to Caleb for always vibing and hanging out with the positive mentality, you already know. But yeah, I'm probably gonna head out. I can't wait to see the pictures Jonathan took. He already gave me a preview, so I can't wait to see how it turns out. But car looks sick. Fun day with the boys. Can't wait to see the rollers. You guys will see it on Instagram. Let's go.
Okay.
Shout out to Jonathan Towsons. Give him a follow.
Yes, sir.
You already know. F30 skirt. Give Caleb a follow.
Yeah, my car is so dark.
Fastest M4 in Orlando. What? What?
Yeah, something changed.
We're gonna be doing a video soon with Caleb when his M4 is dialed in.
Reaction shots.
Drive shafts in, reaction.
6130s pulls. Yeah, we'll even do some Euro pulls. 200 kilometer.
Hell yeah. Chill day with the boys, as always. Alright, but yeah, they're heading out. that's gonna wrap it up for this week's vlog. Definitely a chill vlog for you guys. I have another one in the works right now that I'm filming at home right now. It's a little interior mod, another cosmetic mod, but makes a huge difference. But I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys follow the homies. I'll put their Instagrams in the link below. I know Jonathan is starting up his YouTube channel again, and obviously you guys know Kyler, F30 Skirt. Make sure you go subscribe to them. Caleb's actually gonna start his own channel soon, but make sure you give them all a follow on Instagram. I'll link it down in the description below. But give me a like if you like this video. More chill, behind the scenes of what we did at Cars and Coffee, and then what we did to get rollers today. I mean, this is what the car life is about, hanging with the guys on the weekend, chilling, getting pictures, going to Cars and Coffee. But yeah, make sure you guys drop a like, comment down below, subscribe, and we'll see you on next week's video. Peace. We made hella good timing today because look, you can see those clouds right there. It looks like it's about to rain. We got the Amway where the Magic play. A little view of downtown Orlando. But yeah, you see that cloud right there? It's definitely a rain cloud. I got a notification on my weather app saying it was about to rain, so I think we killed it on the timing today. But yeah, since it was overcast, the rollers are definitely going to turn out really sick for everybody's car. It's going to make editing a lot easier as well. But yeah, look at that cloud. Typical Florida, rains in the afternoon, you already know. But yeah, that's going to wrap it up, even though I already did an outro. One more thing, what do you guys think about this Mustang SUV? I think it looks kind of strange. It looks okay from the front, but yeah, I don't know. I'm not vibing with it. Yep, like I said, just started to rain, so we killed it on the timing today. Definitely a fun vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, the little 2-day split. I definitely did. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for next week's video.